Let's go ahead and make some game day wings. Super crispy, super crunchy. We're gonna make buffalo, barbecue, and lemon pepper. Here's a couple tips and tricks that I've used that you should know about before you make your wings. They're gonna be super good. Let's get started. What you wanna do here is just pat these chicken wings dry. So here's the secret. We're gonna go in with some paprika first. Hit this up. So you don't want to get anything that's going to be too sugary in your first seasoning. So we're going to use some baking powder. This is going to help crisp up the wing. And don't worry about taste. You're not going to taste this. Go in some black pepper. And then some salt. Just going to mix this up here real quick. And this thing's going to be ready to fry. When you're done mixing it, it should look kind of pinkish like this. This is the setup you're going to want. A little cast iron, your wings ready, and a little strainer, a little cooling rack. So we're going to double fry it. We're going to be using grapeseed oil today. You want to get it that first fry, pull them out, let them cool, and then give it another fry at the end. It's going to give it that nice golden crunch and crisp that you're looking for. So for this here, we're going to fill it about halfway. A little bit more. I like this cast iron because you can deep fry stuff and it's smaller, so you don't have to use a lot of oil. Pretty nice. So let's get this thing started. We're going to cook at about 350 degrees. Got my little gun here to check the temperature. If you don't have one of these, it's not a big deal. So we're going to get it up to temperature, guys. A little sip while we wait. My homie said I got my jawline back. Right about 370. This is good temperature. Once it gets nice and hot, you want to bring the temperature down to control it. So let's go ahead and put the first set of wings in there. Don't overcrowd it. Let me show you. This is not overcrowding it. Take your time. Make sure they come out right. And we're going to use this controlled temp. The temp is going to drop down. So right now it's at like 350. It drops down when you put some cold wings in there. We're going to cook these for about 5 or 6 minutes. And then pull them off. Okay guys, when they start looking like this is when it's time to pull them. Little brown coating to it. Nothing crazy. These are not completely done yet. They are cooked, but they're not that crunchy bite that we want yet. So we're going to start pulling them off, putting them to cool, and then we'll keep making these guys. 155. Things are nearly done. That last fry is really going to put this thing over the edge, crunchy and crispy. It's already getting there, you know? Ready for that second fry. Here you go. It's gonna be quick. These are pretty much done. Gotta be hella crispy. See that? Start putting them to the side over here. Alright, all the finished ones. Time to pull off the second batch. Alright. We're going to go in with our last set here. Alright, we're going to pull these off in a minute and then we'll start mixing our wings. Nice and crispy. There you have it. Nice and golden brown. Ready to toss. Alright guys, we're going to start off with some lemon pepper wings. That's what these kids like. Lemon pepper wings. I'm going to throw some lemon pepper in here. Alright, here's a little tip to have that lemon pepper stick. Throw just a little bit of oil in here. About 2 tablespoons. Give it a shake. You need a little bit more of that. There it is. Now we're talking. As we're done, we'll just plate them here. What we're gonna do is hit this with a little bit more, just right on top. Just like that. We're gonna do some Frank's Red Hot wing sauce. We'll do some hot wings. Here we go. You can hear the crisp on these, man. It's nice. Throw some in there. I want to give this a little bit extra depth. Famous Dave's in here. Give it a little extra sauce to it. Extra kick. Oh yeah. Wings look great. Look at that. Woo-hoo-hoo. We'll try them all right now. Gonna throw this on our plate here, and we'll do the barbecue next. All right, now we're gonna go in with that barbecue. All right, we're using a Famous Dave's Devil Spit. Woo! Gonna be money. Put a good amount in there. Shake them up. Smells really good, man. Woo-hoo-hoo. All right. Pour that into our tray here. Voila. All right, guys, now that all the mayhem's done, let's go ahead and try a lemon pepper first. Mmm. That's so good. Super nice crunch. Crunchy, soft, everything you want in a wing. Ooh, here it goes. This one looks good. Mmm. This is probably gonna be my favorite one, the barbecue. Let's see. Mmm. That barbecue sauce is freaking good. You guys, hopefully I showed you guys how to make the perfect wings for any upcoming games, game day. Like and subscribe. Say like and subscribe.